Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to switch new workspace in AutoCAD. AutoCAD in different workspace from working, just like 2D drafting and 3D modeling and other different workspace is available in AutoCAD. So this is the 2D drafting annotation background in AutoCAD. When switch the another background in 3D modeling, so when you go to here, this is called workspace. Like this is workspace. When you enter the workspace, look at this here. Many types of workspace available. First, drafting and annotation, 3D basic and 3D modeling, AutoCAD classic, save current as workspace settings, customize display workspace level. So when you again switch the 3D basic, so enter the 3D basic. This is here 3D basic of extruded. They are extruded. This is box here and extruded, revolve, lofted, swept. Everything is available. When I get the extruded, use for extruded command. So here click the extruded and now this is here extruded right now. When you click this here, first of all create the any block right now. This is make the simple block here and enter. Then go to extrude here. It is extruded for directly from any circle and rectangle. Like this is enter right now. When you extrude the particular distance also, if I provide the distance is 200, so this diagram is extruded in 200 in basic 3D workspace. So you can see this here 200 extruded right now. Just I have show you this form. This is top view and this is called another different views. So it is come from different views of AutoCAD and look at this here and also change the 3D. So it is switching from AutoCAD in different basic command, right? So again I will switch the workspace in 3D modeling. So this is called come to 3D modeling in AutoCAD. Here the 3D modeling background. They are the 3-dimensional work and 3 axis. Right now this is 3D modeling background. If I select the box here and draw start, when I click the box and start the box here and make the box, okay, enter. When you check in particular dimension, I will provide 50 mm. Okay, then again I will provide the 50 mm. So this is make the rectangle right now and go to projection for how much distance. When you click here, look at this, show you the rectangle is create the different projection in AutoCAD. Okay, so again when you go to another Auto Classic workspace, so look at this Auto Classic workspace. So look at this here, classic type of AutoCAD. Classic type, that means this is the draw command available. All draw command: line, center line, infinite line, polygon, rectangle, arc, ellipse, crowd, everything is here available in draw command. And same thing is here, this side is available in modify command. So if you work in this side of background, this is the modify command. And look at this save and open and print here, and layer, everything is setting here, layer, hatching, layer, different types of layer available. So this is very useful for classic in work AutoCAD. When again switch the another back, so this is right now it is a classic AutoCAD. When again switch the another workspace, so here the display in work level, and other than we will switch from drafting annotation. So drafting annotation is like very useful for AutoCAD. And click this any projection view, it's a perspective home page. So this is the 3D types of presentation in our sketch here. If I click the top view, so when you come to top view in 2D sketch diagram, so this is switch from every workspace in AutoCAD. In here the available is different types of save current. Auto Classic is very good, and as well as 3D modeling workspace is also importance, because why I am shift the workspace, because when you go to 3D modeling work, so definitely I will work is 3D modeling use for a box, extruded, everything is available in command. Solid command is here available, box, cylinder, polygon, sweep, everything is available in sweep command. So like that, when according to work in AutoCAD background, switch the workspace for easy way. So now I am prefer the drafting annotation. So when you enter the drafting annotation and become AutoCAD command, so when you go for this is the infinite background, and we can do the much diagram in this workspace, and possibility to change the color is that background. So today has completed the session, and thank you.